Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you download Euro Truck Simulator 2 for PC. So let's get into the video. So in order to download this, first what we need is we need to use Steam to do this. So go to your Google and search for Steam, and then you'll get to Steam page here. All right, so get in. So when you get to Steam here, what you have to do is you have to create an account. Okay, if you have not created an account, so you need to create an account and also click on the install Steam so that you can install this application on your system as well. So you can click on install, and then once you've created an account, try to log into your account. All right, so just do that, and once you've done with that, okay. So for example, here, so I've already logged into mine. What I'm going to do now is hit on the store option here. So go to store option, and then now here what you're going to do, you're going to search for Euro Truck Simulator and then use the first one. So you'll see the search results. Click on the first one. Okay. So once you click on the first one here, now here if you scroll down, you'll see that you'll have the option to download the demo version. So all you have to do is click on the download button, and then your download will start. So you can start using the demo button. And suppose if you want to if you want to buy it or if you want to purchase the game, then you can just hit on add to cart and then pay for it and then complete your purchase. Or else you can just hit on the download button and then start downloading the application and use it. So once downloaded, it will be on the library on your library section. Okay, so that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.